Hello friends, how are you all? In this video we are going to make a paper boomerang using an A4 size sheet. Firstly we take an A4 size sheet and cut it in half like so. Then we take one part and fold it lengthwise to make a crease exactly at the center. Then we fold the two edges toward this crease but leave a little gap in the center for better folding. Now we further fold it in half in other direction. Now from the folded edge, we make a little triangle by folding its end corners. Now we open the whole thing but leave the first lengthwise fold. Now firstly we fold it along this crease and after that we fold it along its adjacent crease. After that tuck this part of the boomerang like so in the edge. Now we make the ends of the boomerang. Firstly we make the little triangles at the ends. Then we fold the left side of the triangle towards inside using its crease. After that tuck the opposite side in this inward folded part. At last, once again press the creases cleanly and with this our boomerang is ready. To launch it, hold it from this side with your thumb and first finger and launch it with the fast wrist action.